Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain you about polysaccharides. Under this, homopolysaccharides. Polysaccharides. Polysaccharides are composed of large number of monosaccharide units. Suffix "an" is added in their names and they are known as glycans. Pentose polysaccharides are called pentosanes, for example, araban from L-arabinose, xylon from D-xylose, all these found in cell wall. Hexose polysaccharides are called hexons, for example, mannan from mannose, cellulose, starch, etc. Polysaccharides are composed of large number of monosaccharide units or monomers. These are ends with the suffix "an", which means they are known as glycans. Pentose polysaccharides are called pentosanes. For example, araban, xylon, all these are found in cell wall. Hexose polysaccharides are called hexons. Example, mannan, cellulose, starch. Polysaccharides are insoluble in water and do not taste sweet. All polysaccharides are non-reducing. Although polysaccharides are non-reducing, but in a polysaccharide chain, one end is reducing and another ending is non-reducing. According to function, they are classified as nutritive and structural. On structural basis, polysaccharides are of two types: homopolysaccharides and heteropolysaccharides. Polysaccharides are insoluble in water and do not taste in sweet. All polysaccharides are non-reducing sugars. Although polysaccharides are non-reducing, but in a polysaccharide chain, one end is reducing and another end is non-reducing. According to the function, they are classified as nutritive and structural. On structural basis, polysaccharides are of two types. Number 1, homopolysaccharides. Number 2, heteropolysaccharides. Homopolysaccharides. Homopolysaccharides generally composed with same monomers. Homopolysaccharides are biologically important polysaccharides. These are: number 1, cellulose. Cellulose is linear polymer of beta-D-glucose units 6000 to 10,000. It has beta-1,4 linkage. Cellulose is main component of plant cell wall. In wood, cellulose is 50% and in cotton, cellulose is 90%. Most abundant organic molecule on this earth is cellulose. It is also used to form rayon fiber, artificial silk. The paper also made from plant pulp, which is called cellulose. Homopolysaccharides composed of same monomers. Biologically important homopolysaccharides are: number 1, cellulose. Cellulose is a linear polymer of beta-D-glucose units. Cellulose contains 6000 to 10,000 monomers of beta-D-glucose. These beta-D-glucose units are linked with each other by beta-1,4 glycosidic bond linkages. Cellulose is main component of plant cell wall. In wood, the composition of cellulose is 50% and in cotton, the amount of cellulose is 90%. The most abundant organic molecule on this earth is cellulose. It is also used to form rayon fiber, which is also called artificial silk. Paper also made from the plant pulp, which is called cellulose. Second one, starch. It is main stored food material in plants. Starch is the polymer of alpha-D glucose units. Starch consists of two types of chains. Number 1, amylose. Amylose composed with 250 to 300 glucose units are arranged in an unbranched chain by alpha 1,4 glycosidic bond linkages. Second one, amylopectin. A branched chain molecule, approximately 30 glucose units, are linked by alpha 1,4 and alpha 1,6 linkages. Amylose gives blue color with iodine. Amylopectin gives red color with iodine. Starch is main stored food material in plants. Starch is the polymer of alpha D glucose units. Starch consists of two types of chains. One is amylose chain and the another one is amylopectin chain. Amylose chain composed with 250 to 300 glucose units. This amylose is unbranched and the glucose units are linked with alpha 1,4 linkages. Amylopectin is branched chain starch molecule composed with approximately 30 glucose units which are linked by alpha 1,4 glycosidic bonds. At branches region, these are linked with alpha 1,6 glycosidic bonds. Amylose gives blue color with iodine test. Amylopectin gives red color with iodine test. Starch present in potato contains 20% amylose and 80% amylopectin. Starch forms helical structure, so starch can hold iodine molecules in the helical portion. So starch iodine is blue violet in color, while cellulose has linear structure, so it cannot hold iodine molecule and does not give iodine test. The starch containing potato contains 20% amylose and 80% amylopectin. Starch forms helical structure so that when we perform iodine test, they holds iodine molecules and gives blue to violet color. But in case of cellulose, it shows linear structure. It cannot hold iodine molecule and does not give blue color.